Hey guys, Wandering Shell here. Once again, we're doing another D&D character, part of the Townsfolk edition. This time, a dwarf. Yep, another blacksmith. Woo! First it was a lizard folk, now it's a dwarf, because why not? Anybody could be a blacksmith. This time it's a dwarf. And I don't know, she's kind of cool looking, and it was to the point of the day where I had no idea what color hair I should make it. Right? I've done all like the actual colors, like blonde, brown, black, things like that. A random color just because I wanted something different. So I actually asked my husband to pick a color out of the paints that I have, and he's like, "Are you sure?" I'm like, "Yep, I am positive. Go ahead and do it." And he goes, "Okay, here you go, and this is it. Warlock purple, aka pink." I was like, you know what? It works. I think she's kind of cool looking. And went with it. So good. She dyed it. Good again. She's a blacksmith. She's allowed to. Nobody's gonna see her hair anyway. But she's pretty much almost done after doing all that and new coats of paint and all that fun stuff. I really wanted to keep it a little bit more gritty, because, you know, she works with soot and whatnot and that darkness in it. I even gave her like steel boots because she's working with heavy stuff, and you know, you gotta protect the feet. And pretty much she's almost done. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. I'll see you in the next one. Later.